To space the rafters properly, we recommend 1 foot or 12-inch spacing between them. In this example, we'll be using 8-foot lumber for the frame, and with 1 foot spacing, that allows us to fit 7 rafters on this pergola. Remember, measuring the lumber before installation is straightforward, but once the lumber is inserted into the trio brackets, the end of the lumber is seated into the inside corner of the bracket, so be sure to measure it from here if your pergola frame is already assembled. These rafters will be spaced 1 foot or 12 inches apart, so mark down each measurement on the frame lumber. Now, do the same on the other side. Next, place the brackets on the rafter lumber, 1 on each end. And place the rafters on the pergola, aligning each bracket with the markings made earlier. Fasten each bracket with a screw. And finally, fasten the rafters to the brackets with 2 screws on each end. Keep in mind, Toja Grid offers 3 types of rafter brackets to suit your needs.